Wheel horse is performing awesome. I don't see any issues. I don't hear any issues. I had to put a little bit of oil in the rear end because it was a little low. I didn't put enough. I got an idler pulley that sounds really bad. It needs replaced. But all the gears work. Everything's running good, runs smooth. I didn't see any leaks today. So that was good. I mean, the axles were even dry. I sturdied up my hitch. So yeah, I'm gonna keep riding it and have a little bit more fun. Yeah, so thing's awesome. Now we're just going to cross our fingers and hope that nothing else breaks. And call it a day, hopefully. That way we can take some time and work on some other stuff. Camera's off. Alright guys, I know I've been making a lot of mower videos. Actually, that's all I've ever done is made mower videos. But before I made mower videos, and even actually before I even fooled with mowers at all, this is what I would do. I would make this and that or whatever I needed. You know, tools, you know, tie rods for mowers, this and that, whatever. My wife actually needs some loops to hold the curtains back, so I guess she got tired of hearing the mowers and sent me out here to the shop to, now that I got me the coals going, I have to start raking over some of that fresh coal. Add a little bit more heat. So I think I'm going to use this. She wants twists in it, so I'm going to have to square these out. I'm going to cut this edge off. Yeah. I'll probably try to save this one. I'll probably try to use this one. Go ahead and cut this off, straighten it, cut it in the middle, flatten my edges. Punch my holes first, probably, on each side. Twist them, swirl them around. I'm pretty sure I got that right. Maybe something like this. You know, 2 holes, taper that end out. We'll do the twist it, taper it sharp on the end. Then we'll take this and twist these here and bend it over the horn after we do all the twists and stuff. Okay, now I got a taper. I don't want it real sharp. It's going to be in the house. So now I'm going to probably square it out back a little bit more. Wire brush it, clean this side up, and flip it over and do this side. Okay, so I got them both tapered points, and I got to cut. Eyeball it. I'm not measuring anything for this because it's just going inside behind some curtains, so there's really no use doing no measuring or anything like that. To cut it, I use this homemade Hardy tool out of huge rebar. Right here, actually. Yeah, look. It's massive rebar. Let's get back at it. Okay, so this is the part that's going to have the holes in it. It's going to screw into the wall. I've done a step there to make it easier to drill through because I have no idea where my punches are. So I'm just going to drill it, plus it's like 9 at night. I guess I better get in soon. So right now I'm getting a good heat on the center. I'm going to take it over to the post box and give it a twist, and hopefully you guys can see that happen. Okay, got the twist. Let's do the other one. So here they are. Nothing too special. Some little 20-minute hooks. You can definitely tell it's been a while since I've done it. I left these bins kind of wide to hold the curtains. Wasn't really squared too good on that one. But it's okay. Hope you guys liked it. Something new. Time to shut down shop.